Welcome back to new video, and that video was taken on June 30th, 2025, and I took that picture or the video from Laguna, New Mexico. I meant Laguna, New Mexico, but there was a windstorm or something, and I figured why not capture the interesting about Laguna, New Mexico, and yeah, so basically, so so there's the clouds, whatever you expect on there, and yeah, so I don't know what to talk about, but there is the windstorm or the aka tornado, but we don't have tornadoes New Mexico, but it's only little tornadoes. But alrighty, have a great one, and yeah.